In a narration found in Sunnah IB, near Marja, number 3989, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that even slightly showing off is polytheism. This is a minor type of polytheism which does not cause one to lose their faith. Instead, it leads to the loss of reward, as this Muslim acted for the sake of pleasing people when they should have acted to please Allah, the Exalted. In fact, these people will be told on Judgment Day to seek their reward from those they acted for, which will not be possible. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3154. If the devil cannot prevent one from performing righteous deeds, he will attempt to corrupt their intention, thereby destroying their reward. If he cannot corrupt their intention in an obvious way, he tries to corrupt it through subtle ways. This includes when people subtly show off their righteous deeds to others. Sometimes it is so subtle that the person themselves are not fully aware of what they are doing. As gaining and acting on knowledge is a duty on all, according to a narration found in Sunan IB, near Marja, number 224, claiming ignorance will not be accepted by Allah, the Exalted, on Judgment Day. Subtly showing off often occurs through social media and one's speech. For example, a Muslim might inform others they are fasting, even though no one directly asked them if they were fasting. Another example is when one publicly recites the Holy Quran from memory in front of others, thereby showing others they have memorized the Holy Quran. Even criticizing oneself publicly can be considered showing off one's humility to others. To conclude, showing off subtly destroys a Muslim's reward and must be avoided in order to safeguard their righteous deeds. This is only possible by learning and acting on Islamic knowledge, such as how to safeguard one's speech and actions.